Can you hear me? Okay. Peekaboo! Just kidding. Welcome to my channel, y'all. What's up? Today we're gonna do a video of me using a whole lot of new hair products I never used because I ran out. So right now we're gonna start with Urban Hydration Honey, Argan Oil, and Sweet Vanilla Bean Extract Health and Repair Shampoo. So this is what we're starting off with. Never used it. I don't know if black's one or not. I'm pretty sure. I have to read the bottle and everything, but yeah. It smelled good when I opened it. It smelled really good. It didn't smell like honey at all. It smelled good. I don't even know. I can't even tell you what it smelled like. It just smelled good. Okay, now we're going to take the same brand and we're going to use their Jamaican castor oil and avocado, I think it's something, co-wash and conditioner. I'm reading it off the screen because I don't feel like getting the products, but I'm using that. And this one smelled better than the shampoo. Oh, it's moisturizing. That's what it says. Moisturizing. Okay. It smelled better than the shampoo, but it was really thick that it was kind of hard to comb my hair, if that makes sense. Like, my screen's gonna get more foggier through the second, so you won't be able to see me put it all in and comb my hair with it, but I'll show you how much comes out from detangling. Okay, this is my hair freshly detangled and everything. I combed it out, conditioner's still in, and this is how much came out when I detangled it. You know, I said I'll tell you. I don't think it matters, but whatever. Then we're gonna take this deep conditioner by Camille Rose Naturals. I've used their products before. It was like the twisting butter or something like that. And the deep conditioner smells the exact same way. I don't know if it's the same scent or what, but we're using this one as cocoa and mango butter. It smelled really good. It's Algae Renew deep conditioner, so when I show you what it looks like, it's gonna look green. And I didn't know why until I read it again. But I'm gonna go ahead and comb my hair and also rinse the conditioner that I had in my hair before. And when I rinsed it out with the conditioner, it was easier, but with it in, it wasn't. This is what it looks like. You see it? You see it? Yeah. It smelled good though. You know, it smells like all our products, but it smelled good. It was thick, y'all. It was thick. I didn't even use a lot. Well, I did, but yeah. Alright, after that long process of putting the deep conditioner in, I'm going ahead and split it in 2 sections. I did it down the middle with just my fingers, and I'm just braiding it all the way down. This is what I usually do when I know I'm about to get out the shower, and I'm tired of being in the shower, and I don't want to keep doing my hair in the shower. So I braided it up, and I took a clip, and I clipped the two together in the end so I can shower and get everything off of me. I'll be back, y'all. I'll be back. Hold on. Alright, this is me. Conditioner, deep conditioner out. I just rinsed it. It looks dry, but it's not dry. If anything, it was actually look moisturized. But we're trying out this same brand, Camille Rose Naturals. We're gonna use their Honey Hydrate Leave-In Conditioner. It says leave-in conditioner collection. What? And it's step 1. And yeah, I had 2 leave-in conditioners actually. It was this one, and also Kayla Rose, why did I say Kayla Rose? It says Curls Dynasty, and it says Kayla Hari, and it's their Smoothie leave-in conditioner. So I used both. I used this one first, and then I used the honey one. And honestly, that honey one was thick, but it was really hydrating. It was more hydrating than the smoothie one, if you want me to be honest. But the smoothie one was lighter. So, you know, it really just depends on which one. This is what it looks like. It looks like honey. It smelled like honey. I don't really like the smell of honey, but you know. And that one, it smelled like pink lotion. If y'all know what pink lotion smells like, then you know. But it didn't smell like it all the way. It was more sweeter, but it smelled like pink lotion to me, you know. Alright, next we're taking Eden Body Works. I think that's what it says. Their hydration custard. I always put something really hydrating in my hair because my hair is dry. And y'all, I put a little too much in there because I didn't know it was that thick, and I didn't know that I didn't know it spread that well. Like, it was like, I was over here confused. I was like, wow, this is kind of intense. So I'm gonna keep it. I liked it. Then we're taking the miel, I think that's how you say it, the pomegranate and honey twisting souffle. That's how you say it. Oh no, man. And I like the smell of this. This was the best smelling thing out of all the things that I bought. Okay, now we're gonna take, it's the same as the shampoo conditioner brand, the honey, argan oil, and sweet vanilla bean extract. And it's some like tame, why am I saying tame? It tames frizz, you know, prevent breakage, and it's a styling cream basically. And I had one like this, I made a video about it. It was Cantu, I think that's what it was. And I needed one just like that because it did prevent like breakage and everything, so I needed another one. And I like this one, but y'all, I don't know what was wrong with it. It smelled like alcohol, and not like rubbing alcohol, but like drinking alcohol. I was like, am I about to get drunk using this? Like, I didn't know what was going on. But you know, it was good. I don't think I would use it again. I think I'm gonna take that back. I'm gonna take that one back and the smoothie one. Now we're doing the braid out. So I'm taking 2 front pieces. Well, right now I'm just taking 1 piece, but I'm braiding it all the way down. Braid. Then I do it to the other side, and I braid. I got a bristle brush, and I combed out like the hanging part so that it's more defined when I take it out. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so I'm trying Curls out. I think, is that the brand's name? Is it called Curls? Pretty sure it's called Curls. But I'm trying their blueberry and mint tea scalp treatment. I've always seen it like at Walgreens or anything. By the way, I didn't get any of the stuff at Walgreens. I went to a very large hair beauty supply in Dallas. It's called Jenny's. If you in Dallas, or if you ever been to Dallas, someone took you to Jenny's, then you know what I'm talking about. It's really big. It used to be a Target. It's closed now, but it's still Target size, and they have a lot of stuff. So this is where I got it all from. But yeah, this stuff smelled like medicine. I thought I was taking medicine for a minute. I didn't know what was going on, but yeah, it smelled like medicine. But when I put it in, yeah, when I put them in, my scalp was cold. It was working. I put it everywhere in spots. I think I put it on more on one side than the other, because one side was really cold. But I think it's working. I don't really know what it does. I have to read the bottle. But yeah, that's really it for the video, you guys. Thanks for watching. I'll probably insert a picture on Instagram so you can see how it is. I'll also make an Instagram video out of this video so you can see it on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram at violet.eclipse. And I'll see you later. Thanks for watching. Bye.